Mommy's coming back. Go ahead, Rain.
I'm trying to.
What's the matter? Push it. Do you know how to do it?
Yes, but
What's the matter? You got a pedal.
Daddy.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh, you move perfectly.
okay.
Thank God for training wheels, Rain, the way you're at it. All right, so what do you think so far? I don't think so, but okay. All right. I love your confidence.
But that's how we ride bikes.
Okay. Then we're going to keep it up then, buddy. That's how you do it.
You said she could take off the training wheels?
No, I said thank God for the training wheels. What are you doing, Rain?
I'm trying to.
Go ahead. Stop doing backwards. You have to go forward. You have to go forward. Come on. Pedal.
Go, Mr. Handsome. Go, Baba. Yes, Mr. Handsome?
Rain's on her bike for the first time.
Are you so excited?
Keep going backwards. You gotta go forward.
You gotta push. Push your legs. You're doing good. You're not. You are good. You're doing good. You just gotta push. You gotta push your legs.
My bad, brother. There you go.
Where'd you go? Ray, you gotta push your legs around.
I use your muscles.
Push down. Push down. Good job.
I like this bike because it has a little piece on the back. You can push.
Oh, true. Whoa, Ray, you're doing it. You're doing it. Good job, princess. Ray, you're such a good biker. Who did what? Draw on the ground? I don't know.
I don't know, right?
Come
I'll have to
on.
talk to them later.
Are you riding?
Go, Ricky, go. Go, Ricky, go. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Good job. Good job.
You ready to do it again? Okay, and then we're gonna go up right there and I'm gonna turn around, okay? Come on, ready, go.
Hold on, Ricky. Let's wait right here. It means stop, Ricky. Stop, Ricky. We're gonna wait for sister to come back.
All the way to the bottom.
Good job, Rain.
You're doing it.
Yes.
You're doing it.
Go, Rain. Go. All right, Ricky. Go ahead. Go ahead, Ricky.
Go, Ray, go. Go, Ray, go. Go, Ray, go. Yay, Ray's riding a bike.
Go, Rain. Go.
It's doing it. All these shells on the ground tripping up.
All right. Good job. Look at the bike rider, Rain on her first day. Look at the bike rider. The girl is focused. Liking it? Right. Go, Rain, go. Ooh. Look at you, fancy girl. Ooh. What do you think? You like your first ride? Yeah? Your arms tired?
Oh, yeah. Who needs water?
Huh?
Oh, my.
Huh?
Oh, my hands.
Your hands?
Yeah, they hurt.
Your hands hurt? Why do your hands hurt?
They're drinking with me because I was riding my bike.
Yes. What about your feet? How are your feet?
Good,
Your legs?
good.
Yeah, you ready to take that off now? Here, come here. I'll help you. All right, so this is cool, man, because Mama C bought this for you a long time ago. And now you're able to wear it, ride your bike, all that good stuff.
No, I'm sweating.
Huh? Come here. Huh? Well, that's that. Make sure you take your shoes off at the front. Brother, how'd you like it?
You have fun? He's stressed. He didn't want to come inside.
Oh. Ricky Man.
I'm ready to get some water.
Rain is so tired.
Did you have fun?
Rain says she's so tired. Her hands hurt.
Oh, I didn't say
Her feet hurt. She wants some water.
She
said
did
she's
tell me
sweaty.
she wanted water.
my hand was triggering me, and then I didn't say I'm tired.
Oh, what'd you say?
I said my hands are triggering, I need some water, and then
And then you go inside.
Uh-huh. All right, brother, you done?
He don't want to be.
Okay. Well, I'll bring the basketball goal out. You shoot some basketball, okay?
Oh, you play basketball? Huh? You play basketball? Uh-huh.
Huh?
He talking so low.
Huh?
He's mad.
Huh? All right, let's get the basketball.